Welcome to the NekSpine Instructional Guide. This video will walk you through the key components of the NekSpine system and show you how to set it up, wear it, adjust it, and store it for optimal comfort and performance. Let's begin with an overview of the complete NekSpine system. The NekSpine is a modular passive exoskeleton system designed to reduce fatigue and strain on the neck and back. The complete system includes three primary components: the head frame, the vest, the support beam. Let's take a closer look at each component. The NekSpine head frame is designed for comfort, adaptability, and seamless integration with most surgical headlights, loops, and cameras. It features a rigid, lightweight composite frame that ensures balanced support and long-wearing comfort, a secure halo-style headband for enhanced stability, with an optional occipital cup for added stability, a precise tensioning system that connects to the support beam, allowing fine-tuned counterbalance control. The NekSpine vest is designed for long-term wear and custom adjustability. Key features include an adjustable torso length for personalized fit, a dual-waist cinching system proving trunk compression and stability, adjustable shoulder straps and a chest strap for secure, comfortable fit. The support beam is the structural core of the NekSpine system, functioning to transfer the load from the head frame to the core, providing counterbalance for the weight of the head. Before first use, adjust the vest torso length. Set the proper torso length by extending or shortening the torso section using the Velcro or locking mechanism provided. The bottom of the waist belt should sit just above the iliac crest, top of the hip bone, for proper fit and support. Insert the support beam by sliding it through the upper slot on the vest and into the slot on the waist belt. Make sure the beam is fully seated. It should bottom out securely in the waist belt. To put on the NekSpine, put the vest on like a backpack. Secure the primary waist belt. Tighten the secondary belt for added compression. Adjust the shoulder straps for a snug fit. Fasten and tighten the chest strap. Now put on the head frame. Place it on your head. Tighten the head frame using the rear adjustment knob. Set the front-back position using the depth adjustment knob. Reach back with one hand and pull the support beam forward and insert the slider block over the support beam. Ensure that the locking knob on the slider knob is oriented away from the head. Position the slider block so that the tensioning wire is approximately parallel to the floor. Lock the block position with the locking knob. Adjust the tension dials to fine-tune support. Rotate the knobs forward to increase tension. Rotate backwards to reduce tension. The user can adjust the knobs individually or simultaneously. Tip: start with lower tension and gradually increase it until you find your sweet spot. It may take a few minutes to get used to the support, but once dialed in, the NekSpine provides long-term comfort and performance. You are ready to use NekSpine. The NekSpine head frame works with most surgical headlights. Please refer to the NekSpine user manual for instructions on installing the appropriate adapter. To attach a headlight, remove the NekSpine blank and snap the headlight into the front adapter mount. Route cables over the head frame using the top and back cable retainers. Ensure cables are routed between the head frame and the tensioning wire, not over the wire. To remove the NekSpine, reach back to draw the support beam toward your head. Use your other hand to loosen the slider block's locking knob. Press the release button and slide the slider block over the beam. Remove the head frame. Unclip the chest strap. Release both waist belts. Slip off the vest. To store your NekSpine system, use the NekSpine hanger by placing the slider block over the mounting tab, or hang the system using the loop inside the vest on any wall hook. Always store in a dry, temperature-controlled environment to preserve hygiene and extend system life. Thank you for choosing NekSpine. With proper use, it will help protect your neck and back, reduce fatigue, and support your comfort for years to come. For questions or assistance, visit nekspine.com or contact our support team.